It's the Shirley Mill Wildflower Trail. So they have party hats on and they're like, woo!
With the baby fish. I see some over here.
That looks like a rockfish.
A rockfish.
Do you have a rockfish in there?
Where?
In her net.
Oh, that's just a rock.
It's one of those rockfish.
I wish they actually had there. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I walk as fast as we're supposed to walk.
Gorgeous out here. Yeah, it's the perfect time of year to come.
Less flowers.
See that? This is wildflowers all on here. Hey.
Oh boy, are those new? Those are new trees that are down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so.
Mommy, look.
Well, we had all that wind.
No, right here.
Yep.
We might have to take the other side. Have to go back and take the other side.
Mommy, look.
Nobody wants us back there.
Mommy, look.
Well, that's just a middle refuge. We had some high wind from that storm last weekend. You can see all the trees down.
I don't know if it's not bad up here, though.
Well, why not take that trail? I was overruled.
Can I take you down? No, baby, just open the door.
Don't walk through the grass though.
So that's what we just had to go through, honey?
Yeah. I made it through all of that.
Yeah, there's none.
Here we go. Big old boulder in the stream. Wonder where that came from. This is cool. Little pool here. I've actually seen some little fish in here. Familia is taking a little break up ahead. Why the Viking wanderer makes his path and documents the course.
Like Lion King?
Like Lion
So
King.
you've got these flat rocks that go all
Nice.
there. And if you
Look at the waterfall up there.
I'm still going.
you can see through the trees. You see. Come over here and check out.
I will.
I went here when I was
I'm getting this.
I remember I went
These
here.
rocks up here.
I went 3 times.
Look at that. A little pool there. Oh. Man, I'll tell you, life is good. If you're sitting at home watching this on video, you should be out here. Man, this is great. Great. Check this out. Steps, geologic steps. See that? This is where nature pees on you. Right here. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to show you what we EDC'd. I've got my cool walking stick. If you look at the end, it has a Liberty walking $50. Get it? Walking stick, walking Liberty.
Mom, can I
This
get
is
really wet?
made this for me. I did all the metal work. He carved it. I want to get this up there.
I've gotten it.
Okay. That's just a brass copper sleeve, copper penny on it. And that's that. Let's see what else I got on me. Okay, look down here. Oh. I got my Randy's WSG slip with my cold steel sod buster.
I get fully wet.
And I've got my matrix. Well, get away. And hold on. I got wider out. And I got my pack with my medical kit, compass, a little bit of stuff in there. I've got my protection right there, a little 380.
Gun.
And then got a charger, some Gator Light, which I'm gonna drink, and my EDC pouch. All right, so that. And you didn't take a video. Oh yeah, you did. Okay. Out. I'm gonna bust my ass coming down from here, for sure. What are you laughing at?
Gotta go back.